Yep, I got him. I hope it's not a catfish. Hope it's something better than a kitty cat. There he is. What do we got? Kitty cat, redfish, small trout. What do we got? It's a kitty cat. It's a meow meow. Look at it's a kitty. Meow. Big old kitty cat, yeah. Look like somebody hooked him before. Yeah. Yeah, somebody else hooked them too. Yeah. Well, he's still alive. He's still alive. Unless he hit that bottom down there and then he got the and scraped on them oysters down there. Well guys, there's 3. If I catch any more, I come back on here.